Hello, Anna at the Sewing Studio here, and I'm just going to give you a quick overview of the Janome J3 range of sewing machines. So there's 3 machines in the range, and they comprise of the J3 18, the 20 and the 24. And those numbers relate to the amount of stitch options that each machine has: 18, 20, 24. Now, all the machines are mechanical machines operated solely with a foot pedal, and they're standard size. They've got 6 inches of space to the right of the needle. They all have a built-in needle threader and a front-loading bobbin. And you can drop the feed dogs to do any kind of free motion or darning work. They all weigh around 6 kilos. These 2 come with a soft cover. This one comes with a hard cover. With the J324, you'll see it has an extra dial here, and that is to alter your stitch width. You can also get more needle positions with that one, which is really handy for sewing zips and piping. The J318 comes with the standard presser foot and a buttonhole foot. These 2 come with slightly more, so you've got the standard foot, there's also a zip foot, a satin stitch foot, an adjustable blind hem, and the one-step buttonhole foot. So I hope that helps you distinguish between the 3 models and help you decide which one would be right for your needs. If you've chosen, head on over to our website, pop it in the basket. Delivery is fast and it's free. If you're still not sure, then just get in touch. Send us an email, pick up the phone, or pop on live chat. We're more than happy to help.